Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of HubFlo Action Automation for workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, scroll down on the sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install and click on it. Here, click on Install and allow an install. Refresh your page. When the page is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface, we have a series of tabs. The first tab is the Documentation tab, which contains information about the application. Next is the Tutorials tab, which contains videos and smart cues that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. Up next is the Setup tab, and this is where we set up our application. To set up the application, start by clicking on Start Setup. Head to your HubFlow account online and click on the Settings icon. In the Settings icon, click on Integrations. Scroll down and copy the API key. Head back to your account and paste it where required. As you can see, the application has been set up. Up next is the Support tab. Here, you can create tickets and book calls with our support team each time you have an issue. Finally, the changelog tab keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application. You can also receive notifications each time a change is made by simply toggling this on, filling in your email address, and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.